Hello girls, I'm Ruchita and I welcome you to another fab episode of FOMO, Fashion on My Own. Now recently, I received this very interesting package, this dome-shaped box which resembles an oxygen bubble, inside which are Dove's latest hair care products, Dove Oxygen Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner. I've been using these products for over 2 weeks now, so watch this video to know my review. Dove claims that this new oxygen moisture range with advanced solution gives your hair the balance of volume and moisture. Dove Oxygen Moisture with Oxyfusion technology has lightweight oxygen-fused moisturizing ingredients. It instantly disperses on hair, bringing back smoothness while giving it bounce and a 95% thicker look. Dove Oxygen Moisture Shampoo is transparent, gel-like and runny in texture. It has a strong fragrance which a lot of you might not really like, but I'm quite okay with it. It left my hair softer, bouncier and clean of course. Only one wash was required to cleanse my scalp, but in case if you have oil, then you'll require about 2 washes. I use a lot of products in my hair, so the good part is that the shampoo got rid of all the product build-up and it didn't weigh my hair down. Now in case if you have thin and fine hair, then it will add volume which will work well for you. The conditioner is thicker but it spreads easily. It did leave my hair softer than usual, but then I've tried a lot more better conditioners that will leave my hair super soft. The conditioner according to me is decent. Now the packaging of the Dove Oxygen Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner is quite simple. Both of them come in these opaque squeeze bottles with flip-top caps that are travel friendly. Price wise, the bottle of the shampoo and conditioner is economical because the 80 ml bottle of the shampoo is priced at 83 and the 80 ml bottle of the conditioner is priced at 90. Overall, I quite like the shampoo because it's gentle and it's a good buy for the monsoons because your hair tends to weigh down because of the humidity in the air. As far as the conditioner is concerned, as I said, it's alright because it lacked that extra dose of hydration that I'm used to in my conditioner. But it works well in tandem with the shampoo. Now, our FOMO rating for the Dove Oxygen Moisture Shampoo is 4.5 on 5 and for the conditioner is 3.5 on 5. So ladies, that was my review of Dove's Oxygen Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner. If you want me to review any other products, do let me know in the comments below. And for more of me, subscribe to FOMO, Fashion on My Own. Bye!